What's up guys, it's MartyBlendz and I'm back with another cinematic tutorial. This time we have an easy high fade, so let's get to it. The first step is to create your first baseline using your trimmer, but remember not to press too hard onto the scalp as it will leave a harsh line. Assuming you made both sides look symmetrical, you now want to get rid of all the bulk underneath. With your shaver, shave off all the stubble left behind. Next, using your preferred clipper, open the lever and make a full inch guideline all around. Close up the lever and hit that guideline halfway through, gradually opening up the lever as you go up. As you can see, if the line is still visible, you can use your trimmer to get rid of it. With a 1.5 now, create a full inch guideline, this time flicking out just a tad bit. With your half guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Right after, open fully and hit it a 1/4 inch. With your number 1 open, finish blending up the darkness above the last step. And guys, if you have any questions about the guards I use, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com. Finally, open up the lever with no guard and hit that last visible line. Remember, using corners can make a blend look even better. And guys, don't be afraid to go up on the blend if you have to. Just take it easy and be patient towards your craft. On here, I just used bending shears to reduce the harsh lines from the biggest number we used, which was the 1.5. As for lineups, I recommend you use some sort of hairspray to keep the hair in place while you're lining up. Be really careful when using your razor and make sure you're easy with it. YouTube, this is the final product. If you did enjoy this short and easy tutorial, please make sure to drop a like and comment what you want to see next. That's been it for me. Again, I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.